case you were wondering just how long his tail is. It's longer than him. Much longer. Is that right? He's doing his truck dance. Very nice. Yeah, I know there's a truck. Tell me about it. Uh-huh. What does a truck have to do with this? You've got a fuzzy on your wing. Yes, the truck dance. Alright, what now? You better get a hold on him. Here. Take my hand. There you go. This one. Belly. Oh, he might do truck dance again. Yep. Truck dance. Why do you like trucks like this? Why do you do this? Here, step up. Good. He wants to show you he has a truck dance. I don't know why he does this. Alright, say bye. Thank you for hanging out my elbow. Ugh, my arm. This is not why we're recording right now. There we go, birdie butt. Why do you like to show off your butt? It's kind of gross. My butt. I'm sorry. She's on the... Yeah, you have a butt. Everyone can see your butt. I know. Come here. Well, I'm going to shut off the recording now because someone doesn't want to... I know. It's kind of inappropriate, don't you think? Anyways. I'm going to have to turn off the recording now because you only want to show off your butt. Yeah. YouTube's going to demonetize you for inappropriate butt showing.